Init kong nabisto si Min sa school kasi kaklase ko siya.
First ko siyang nahiling, nakatampay siya sa kubo. Tapos nayabangan ako sa iya, kaya dumanag po na nasuya ako sa iyang maray.
Ano masabi mo kay grupo niya?
Wait ka lang, Chari. Dahil mag-ibi. Chari. Joke. Ako lang to.
Baby, loving like crazy, praying that it never ends. Yeah, you and
Puun ka to, naging rival na kami. Sige kaming iwal. Sige kaming yabangan. So, naging part na siya kang aral-aldaw ko na magiging kayabangan ko siya.
Then, yun na, nagkaanoan na. Palagi na magkaibanan sa may mga project. Doon na nagpuon si love story.
Okay lang po, kinakabahan. And excited.
Bego araw ka-edit man pala daw pa ba, no? Yung mga simbag baga kang politiko. Ang politiko baga, nangako na. Alangan to pa dun pa.
May this necklace of Mama Mary be a reminder of my love, protection, and faith. Whenever Daddy's away, may it serve as your strength and wisdom. Reminding you that Daddy is always in your heart, believing in how beautiful person you are. Let it rest near your heart just as you are always in mine. With all my love, Daddy. One paragraph.
For every second, every moment, and every memory, we'll create together. May this remind you that no matter what time it takes, my heart is always with you. I'll always be listening. See you later. I love you. Yay! Siguro tigtawan mo akong relata. May na akong time sa imo.
Daddy, excited na ako na ang sa kuyang makaiba habang buhay. Padangaton ta ka, and ika ang tinao sa kuya kang Diyos. Ika ang pipiliin ko sa araw-aldaw dawa mahirap o masakit na ang gabos, ika pa din.
the world just can't understand. Yeah.
Anong nilolook forward mo? No? Ala, siguro.
Mami, munya na ikakasal na kita. Pangako ko sa imo, magiging akong maray na ama, agum, para sa imo asin sa gigibuon kang pamilya. Aratya na lang ang mga detalye pang iba. I love you!
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is
Inot, nagpapasalamat ako sa tiwala, pagpadangat asin suporta mo sa ako. Ngunya nyaw na ko sa atubangan mo. Subago sa simbahan sa atubangan ng pamilya, barkada ta, asin mga ninong-ninang, especially ni kay Lord. Nagpangako ako ng papadangaton taga habang buhay.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand.
Who would have thought that we'd end up here? We clashed over everything, and I was convinced that you were the most frustrating, impossible person that I have ever met. Naalala ko, sabi ko sa imo kadto, na dawa ika na lang ang huring lalaki sa mundo, di ako magkakagusto sa imo. Pero yan, pinakasalanta ka. Unexpected kang nag-abot sa buhay ko.
Rizamin, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Mark Lester, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
When I touch my necklace, when I confuse, and when I touch my ears when I'm mad. Pag nahihiling mo yan, sabi mo kalma lang. Aram mo kung anong mood na igwa na ako kaya. So from this day forward, I vow to love you and keep you choosing you in every form, every version of existence. Always. I love you, Daddy.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause
If you have heard much better about the readings of Paul's letter to the Colossians, where love is described, I would suggest and urge both of you, why don't you remove the word love and put your names in it? That serves as a guideline for you on how you can attain a true, a good, and beautiful married life.
just want you to know